Hi, this is Lee. This video is about how to set Mammoth PMC 0301 strategy up for your NinjaTrader platform. It is running on NinjaTrader 8. First, I'm going to have the chart up and running, and this is for gold only. Now, we're currently trading on gold August contract. Now, for Mammoth PMC 0301, the bar type setting is 5 and 10 and 35, and we run 30 days of data. And let's just look at this. This is a chart that is running. Currently the market is open. So now once you have this chart open, and you have to go to the strategies and go find the strategy that you imported earlier. It's the PMC 0314, and the same as 0301, same thing. And once you click on that, and it will pop up right here under configured. Now, for the original setting, you have target 9 and the stop loss at 28, and the start trading time is 4 a.m. to 7:29 a.m. These are the Central Standard Times. And daily profit, and you have to, if you want to do 2 contracts, you can set as $138 as your daily profit limit, and daily loss is 500 because of a 2 contract. Each tick worth $10. So if you target 9, then that's $90, and 2 contracts will be 180. And if your daily profit sits at 138, once you hit winner, and the strategy will not continue to look for another trade anymore. I'm just gonna have to set this way, and the rest settings 6 and 4 and 50, you have to leave it as is. Don't, if you can play with it, but this is the custom made filters within the strategy to basically find the best entries for you. Now, and after that, you're gonna have to go down here. This is important for the order field resolution. By default, once you imported a strategy to your platform, to your NinjaTrader, by default it sets as a standard. And this part is very important. You have to switch to high, and type is tick, and value is 1. Okay, and you have to check this box. Field limit orders on touch. That's important. Then you move on to the bottom, and this is a default quantity for 2 contracts. Now, earlier I was saying that the for the daily profit 138 is for 2 contracts, means after you reach 9 ticks, that's $90. If you do 2 contracts, that would be $180. That number has already exceeded this cap, which is 138, and it will stop the strategy. Okay. Same thing, 2 contracts, 28 multiplied by 2 is 56. And so if you hit a loss, your loss will be above 500, and then also the strategy will not continue to trade. So once you have this set, and you're just gonna have to check this box and hit apply. Okay. Then you will see that it's calculated. Now, once it's done, the strategy is applied successfully. You will see this side is green and everything's good. Now, look at this chart. You will see that there's a white bar. This is the session ends and it starts right there. So everything will be recalculated once you hit either a winner or loser during that day. After this bar is painted, everything's recalculated to 0. That's pretty much it. You don't have to load any indicators on the chart, and just let the strategy running in the background. And you see that once you see this, that means the strategy is running successfully and healthy. So for this strategy, we have a very small target. That 9 tick target, basically, you just need a target. You just need a, 2 bars to be confirmed in order to take the profit. Let's look at one of the trades right here. See this trade, the entry is right there. And once the entry is done, and you have 1, 2. Once the third bar, which is actually the second bar after the entry bar, after the entry signal, this bar, once this bar formed, and you'll have your 9 ticks. Okay, that's what the scalping is about. Now let's just do a little quick review of the strategy performance, real time and the historical. Okay, and you will see that from May 9th to June 8th, you have only 9 trades in total, 1 loser and 8 winners. Your net profit is 796, and your profit factor is 2.4, and the max drawdown is 569. And now let's do the analysis and see what day that loss was taken, which is May 30th. And then you go to May 30th, and you'll be able to see that. Okay, here you go. That is a short entry, but I got stopped out right there. Now, this is rare, but it will happen. So that's a loss you took. Otherwise, all good trades. So anyways, again, the strategies setting, okay, you have to make sure the time is correct. All the settings is listed on this post on the website specifically for this strategy, and you have to double check, make sure everything is matching correctly. And this part is important: order field resolution. It has to be set like that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.